Hello everyone, welcome back to Complete Laravel e-commerce project tutorial series, another video. So we're going to continue from where we left in our last video. So if you missed out our last video, be sure to check that out. You will get the playlisting in the video description. And if you're completely new to this series, we are welcome. Please watch from the very beginning of this series so you will learn a lot. Now let's back to our topic. And yes, if you new to our channel, be sure to subscribe because that's going to help us a lot to grow. Now in our last video we set up the migration and also set up the view like from for our homepage setting. So right now this homepage setting from is not working because if I click on update homepage setting, you will see it returning us like method.error because we did not create any route or any function for it in our controller. So we need to make that in this video. We will make it working, and based on the data admin passing here, we will update our homepage this section. Okay, so admin will able to control this thing from the home page. Okay, sorry, from the admin panel. Okay, so we will do that part in this video. So that's exciting. So very fast we will make this from working, then we will make these things dynamic. So let's do it. So very fast, let's open the controller, admin main controller, where we have the setting function, and after we fetch the products, let's create here another variable called home page setting, and here we want to use the home page setting or like home page setting controller, not controller, home page setting model. And using the home page setting model, we want to grab the very first record from our database, right? So to store this information in our database, we already create a database table, and we want to fetch out the very first information from our database. Why? Because in our database table for home page setting, there will be just only one record. Okay, we will not give admin an option to create multiple home page setting. Okay, we will just give admin an option to edit and update the home page setting according to his need, according to his new information, but admin will not able to create a new record in the home page setting table. So in home page setting table, basically there's going to be only one record, and we want to fetch that out. But what if there's no record already available? Let me show you that also, what is that situation, so you will easily understand that. Okay, by the way, my friend, if you want to grab this theme which we are using here, be sure to check the link in the video description. By using the link, you will be able to buy this theme for only $5. That way you can buy the theme, and also you can support our work as well. Now we are in the database, and if I go to the database table of Elecom, and here we have the home page setting table, and currently you will possibly see there's no record. So what going to be happen when there's no record available in our home page setting table? In that case, we will create a new instance of our home page setting. Okay, so that's going to be home page setting. Fine. So what this means actually, if there's a record already available in our home page setting table, it will fetch that out and store that information in our home page setting variable. And if there's no record available in our home page setting table, then it will create a new instance of our home page setting. Okay, that way we will able to give admin every time this from. Okay, and that's not going to be any error. When information already available in our database, admin will see those information here, and he will able to update that information. When there's no information available, very first time he visiting this page, then he will get this empty from, and he can fill up it using his own information. Okay, that's what we are working for. Okay, now let's compact that as well. I'm very sorry if you heard any dog barking, but that's what our situation here is. Every night dog bark a lot, so yeah, just ignore it. So home page, let me just copy home page setting. Okay, so we compact the information in our view as well. Now let's go to the admin setting view. Okay, Now here we want to use those information. Very simple. All I want to do is here select discounted product, option value, product ID, and then here we want to pass another thing, that is very simple, home page setting. Okay, home page setting, and then here we have the product ID, right? Let me show you discounted product ID. This is discounted product ID. So discounted product ID, we just want to pass here like if there's any home page setting discounted product ID which is equal to our this product ID. Okay, then what? Let me tell you what's going to be here. Then we want to give here the selected class ACLECTED. That means if this option value product ID is going to get matched with our home page setting discounted product ID, then this option value going to be automatically selected. So we will be able to show that which product is already selected previously as discounted product to the admin. Okay, else simply we will pass here a empty string. That's it. Sorry, here should be the question mark, okay, not the semicolon. That means if the home page setting discounted product ID is equal to the product ID, then we want to make this option value selected, else it should be empty. Now next one is discount percent. We want to also pass here a value, and this value going to be what? Home page setting, and then we have the discount percent as well coming from the admin panel or database. Okay, this way other thing also need to be filled up. So let me copy this one and paste it here also. And this one going to be for discount heading. Okay, let me paste it for a few times, then we will just change the value there. Okay, now let's change the value. So this one for discount percent, then next one for discount heading. So what is it in our database? Discount heading. Okay, provide discount heading. So value is discount heading. Provide discount subtext or subheading. Copy that. Okay, discount subheading, and then if home page setting feature product ID 1, okay, is home page setting feature product ID 1 is equal product ID, then we want to make it selected. Okay, and next one is home page setting feature product ID 2 is equal product ID, then we want to make it selected. That's why we will able to show which is already selected as product ID, feature product 1, feature product 2. Okay, perfect. Okay, now let me refresh this page and see either there's any error or not. So there's no error, that means everything is right. Perfect. Okay, next what? Next we want to make sure that whenever we update this from using our own information, it is updating in our database. How to do so? Very fast, let's open the route web.php, and here we go. We have this admin main controller, and after the setting route we want to create here another route, that is not get route, it should be put route, and this put route should be setting update home page. Okay, or home page setting home page setting update. That should be a good URL. Setting home page setting, then update. Fine, and it will be responsible for our function name update homepage setting. Nice. Now let me share the name for this route as well, and this should be admin dot homepage setting dot update. Okay, perfect. Now let's use this route in our from action. Okay, in our from action we're going to use this route. This route going to be homepage setting update, and it's also put route, so we need to use here method is put. Nice. Otherwise it will not work, as we defined here it is as a put route. Now let's copy this function name and go to our admin main controller, and after the setting function we're going to create another public function which is update homepage setting, and here let's pass request $request. Now here we need to use some validation. We're going to use this, you can say like rules for that. I'm going to explain it to you, but before that just type here like request, then validate. Okay, now let's pass the validation rules. Let me copy them from here, paste once. Now let's see what's missing, and it will be better if we just look from the very first one. Okay, so first one is for discounted product ID. Okay, so we go back here, let's pass discounted product ID is already here. You can see discounted product ID, we make it required and it should be exist at our product table. Then discount percent, I believe that's also okay. Discount percent, discount amount, what I'm missing here, discount percent used here. Okay, fine, this should be discount percent, I'm sorry. So discount percent required numeric and minimum is 0 for sure. And then discount heading, yes, it is here. So discount heading, it should be required string and max 255. Then discount subheading, don't have that, so let's add that as well. Discount subheading. So yeah, discount subheading, this is also required. Then it should also be string and max 255. Nice. Next, feature product ID 1, nullable exists on product table, and then feature product ID 2, that should be it, yes, and it's also nullable exists on product table. Okay, let's just create a variable for now again, like homepage setting, or just copy this one. Okay, so homepage setting, we are checking either there's any homepage setting already available. If there's no homepage setting available, we're going to create a new instance of homepage setting. Then what? Then we're going to just pass all the information in the homepage setting. Simply use update, or just simply use like fill. Okay, with all the requested data. So request all, that means I'll just fill up the homepage setting with all the requested data because we already validated them, and then just make homepage setting save. That's it. So what we are doing here, simply first checking if there are any home page setting already available or not. If not, we creating a new instance of home page setting, then we are filling up the home page setting with all the requested data, and then finally we saving those information. We can do something like that: return redirect the route. And what is the route name? And the route name going to be admin setting, and you can pass here with message with success. Home page setting updated successfully. Nice. Save it. Now let's go to our from again, refresh it. Route home page setting is not defined. What it is saying, we already defined the home page setting route. Admin home page setting update. Copy that. The route name. Okay, I missed here admin. Fine. Refresh it again. Yeah. Now let's select the discounted product yellow shoe. Discount %, let's give here 55. Discount product heading discount, we will change that later. Subheading, okay, I'm just going to copy it from here. Then yeah, we only have one product, so let's just keep that and let's update our information. Okay, I believe information is updated, but it's not showing here because we did not face the success message here. Okay, we should use here success. Now again try. Let's change 55 to 75. You can see home page setting updated successfully. Nice, everything working nicely. Now all we have to do is we have to display the information here. We need to make them dynamic. Okay, so let's do it. Now let's see which controller is responsible for our home page. So this is home page controller. We're going to home page controller, and here we're going to fetch out home page setting as well. Home page setting, using the home page setting model, we will just get the first one, and then we're going to compact that in our view. So yeah, just doing it there. Nice. Now we want to open the view file. This is the view file. We want to display our discount from our admin panel, and it should display perfectly. Home page setting, and where the discount is located, this is discounted product. Perfect. Now let's see it is dynamic or not. Okay, percentage is missing. Okay, we need to pass the percentage here. %. Okay, let's change it from 75 to like 47.51% or 47.99%. Okay, 47. Let's give the 47 here. You can see 47% discount, flat discount. Now we want to also display the this message from admin panel. Okay, we want to make this dynamic, this dynamic, this dynamic, and all of these things. Okay, let's do it. That should be very easy. Just copy this part, paste it here, paste it here. Okay, paste it here, paste it here as well. So this is discount heading. Discount heading should be here. Then discount subheading. Discount subheading should be here. Then okay, feature product ID 1, feature product ID 1. Okay, then feature product ID 2 here. Let's see. Okay, everything loading perfectly. Now my friend, here the twist. It is displaying the product ID, feature product ID instead of the name. But how are we going to display here the product name instead of the ID? So if you want to display here product name, obviously you will display the product name. Then all you need to do is you need to go to your home page setting model again, where we define the three relationship and discounted product, feature product 1, feature product 2. All of these three things actually belongs to our product table, but discount product is only one single product, right? And we need to pass here that product ID, something like that. And in this way we are saying that in the product table the foreign key which is matched with this one, with that or in that product our discounted product is belongs to. Similarly for this one we need to pass a foreign key, and for this one as well. Okay, so for feature product 1 we need to pass here feature product 1 ID, and for feature product 2 we need to pass here feature product 2 ID. This way we are telling that hey, feature product 2 actually belongs to product table who is having the ID of this. Okay, simple. So just save it, and after that you go back to index again. Now here all you have to do is you have to use that what, let me show you. All you have to use here is this feature product 1, homepage setting, feature product 1, then product name, and it should display the product name if I am not wrong. You can see it is displaying product name. Perfect. And now for this one let's do the same thing. Okay, it's going to be feature product 2 and then the product name. Okay, this way we can achieve the product name here as well. So we only have one product, that's why we're just displaying the one product name. And similarly we can also display here the thing we want to display, like if I want to display the category or the price of that product, we can also do that. How? Let me show you that as well. Let's think like we want to display here the price of that product. Then if I go to the database, in the product table, in the structure, you will see that regular price is in the regular price. Okay, so we're just going to display here the regular price instead of product name, and this way we will also achieve to display the price of the product. Okay, it's displaying the price of the product right now. If you want to pass here $sign, just do it manually, so it will display the $sign as well. As how you display here the product name, product price, similar way you need to display here the product image. I leave it for you, do it and submit it in our group. I'm going to check it. Okay, if you're not able to do it, I will show you how we can do that in the next video. And that's your task. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. I will see you next video. Till that time, stay happy. Take care. Bye bye.